Over 60? Drink these 4 teas to rebuild muscle, boost strength, and walk strong again. Have you ever stood up from a chair and felt your legs tremble for just a moment? Or maybe, when you're climbing the stairs, you notice your knees feel weaker than they used to, even though you haven't changed much in your routine. Here's the surprising truth. It's not always just aging. In fact, scientists recently discovered that a few natural teas, yes, simple teas, can actually help older adults rebuild muscle, improve blood flow, and strengthen their legs again. And in this video, you'll learn exactly which ones. 3 of them you might have heard of. But the 4th? It's a secret tea that has been quietly studied for its astonishing muscle-restoring effects, and most people have never heard of its name. Stay with me till the end, because that hidden tea could change the way you walk, move, and feel every single day. Before we talk about the teas, let's understand why legs often lose strength after 60. That's when the tiny energy producers inside your muscles stop working as efficiently. As a result, walking feels heavier, climbing stairs feels harder, and balance starts to fade. But here's the exciting part. Research now shows that natural compounds in certain teas can wake up those tired mitochondria, improve circulation, and reduce inflammation, all at once. And you don't need supplements, gym workouts, or expensive treatments. Just 1 warm cup a day can begin to restore what time has taken away. Let us start with the first one, a golden favorite that is as healing as it is comforting. Imagine sitting down in the morning, wrapping your hands around a warm golden cup. That is ginger turmeric tea, a classic blend that has been used for centuries to fight fatigue, stiffness, and pain. If you've noticed your legs feeling heavy, your knees sore, or your energy dipping halfway through the day, this tea could be a true game changer. Here's why it works. Both ginger and turmeric are powerful anti-inflammatory roots. Together, they calm the swelling and stiffness that slow down your joints and muscles. Studies published in the Journal of Medicinal Food show that curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, can significantly reduce muscle soreness and joint pain, even in adults over 60. And ginger? It boosts blood flow. It gently dilates your blood vessels, helping oxygen and nutrients reach your leg muscles more quickly. Think of it this way. Every cup you drink is like sending fresh fuel to your legs. How to make it? Boil a cup of water. Add a few thin slices of fresh ginger. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Steep for 10 minutes. Add a pinch of black pepper to help absorb curcumin. Optional, honey or lemon for flavor. Drink 1 cup in the morning, before or after breakfast. Within a week or 2, many people notice they walk easier, feel lighter, and recover faster from simple activities. In India, this combination is used daily by elders for flexibility. Even modern athletes like Stephen Curry credit turmeric for muscle recovery. You don't have to be an athlete, just consistent. Because this tea doesn't just reduce pain, it wakes up strength. Now, if ginger turmeric tea warms your body, ginseng green tea recharges it. It's like nature's gentle energy switch, turning your fatigue into motion. Green tea by itself is rich in antioxidants that protect muscle cells. But when you combine it with ginseng, a legendary root used for energy and endurance, something special happens. Ginseng improves how your muscles use oxygen. That means when you walk, your legs don't tire as quickly. In one study from the American Journal of Chinese Medicine, older adults who took ginseng daily reported stronger lower body strength and less fatigue during regular activities. And green tea adds its own magic, catechins. These natural antioxidants help flush toxins, reduce oxidative stress, and improve muscle recovery. Plus, green tea contains L-theanine, an amino acid that gives calm, focused energy instead of jitters, so you stay alert without crashing later. How to prepare it? Boil water. Let it cool slightly, not boiling hot. Add a green tea bag or loose leaves, Add a few thin slices of ginseng root. Steep 5 minutes. Add honey if you like. Drink it mid-morning or early afternoon when your energy dips. Real-life inspiration, actor Jackie Chan, now in his 70s, has mentioned ginseng tea as part of his longevity and fitness routine. And while you may not be doing stunts, your body can still feel that steady lift in energy and balance. Ginseng green tea helps your body say, "I'm not done moving yet. Now, let's move to a deeper kind of strength, inner stability." Ashwagandha root tea isn't just about muscle. It's about restoring calm, balance, and resilience, the kind that helps your legs feel steady again. Ashwagandha is what scientists call an adaptogen. It helps your body handle stress, physical, emotional, and hormonal. When we're constantly under stress, our body releases cortisol, the stress hormone that breaks down muscle and slows recovery. Ashwagandha helps regulate cortisol, allowing your muscles to rebuild instead of waste away. In a 12-week clinical trial, older adults who took ashwagandha extract showed higher muscle strength, better balance, and improved sleep quality, all vital for leg recovery. And if you struggle with restless nights, this tea can help you sleep deeper, because muscles only rebuild during rest. How to prepare. Simmer 1 teaspoon of dried ashwagandha root in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and drink warm. Add cinnamon or honey for a soothing flavor. Drink it in the evening to relax your body and prepare for recovery overnight. Ashwagandha tea doesn't just make you stronger, it makes you steadier. You've heard about teas that warm you, energize you, and calm you. But there's one more, the quiet powerhouse that ties them all together. It's called Rooibos tea, also known as redbush tea from South Africa. It might not be as famous, but new studies show Rooibos may actually help rebuild aging muscles and improve circulation without caffeine or side effects. Rooibos is rich in aspalathin, a unique antioxidant that helps reduce oxidative stress in muscle tissue and supports mitochondrial function. In simple terms, it helps your cells make more energy, the kind your legs use to move and balance. Researchers at Cape Peninsula University found that older adults who drank Rooibos daily showed improved blood flow and faster muscle recovery after walking exercises. Even more impressive, it naturally lowers inflammation markers and supports heart health, crucial for those who want to keep walking strong in their 60s, 70s, and beyond. How to prepare. Use 1 teaspoon Rooibos leaves, or a tea bag. Steep in hot water for 5 to 7 minutes. Add lemon or mint for flavor. You can enjoy it hot or iced, any time of day. Rooibos may just be the secret weapon your legs have been waiting for. So let's recap the 4 teas that can help you rebuild leg strength and energy naturally. Ginger turmeric tea, for inflammation and circulation. Ginseng green tea, for energy and endurance. Ashwagandha root tea, for recovery and stress balance. Rooibos tea, for cellular energy and smooth blood flow. You don't have to drink them all in one day. Just choose 1 or 2 that fit your routine, and stay consistent. Because these teas aren't quick fixes. They're gentle daily allies, helping your body remember what strength feels like. Imagine a month from now, walking upstairs without holding the rail, standing taller, feeling steady and confident again. That's the quiet power of nature working in your favor. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to WellthWise, where science meets simple, natural living for people who believe it's never too late to feel strong again. You truly deserve to move freely, with energy, balance, and joy every single day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next WellthWise video.